Okay, in this video I want to talk about one of the advanced programs that we have. The first one in particular, the Dian Qi Gong, which belongs to Shifu Luo. In the Nei Gong system, we have 9 basic programs and 6 advanced programs. The 3 advanced programs, 3 of them belongs to Shifu Luo, one of my teacher, and the other 3 to Shifu Zhou, the other teacher that my teacher had. And I want to talk about this practice. Dian Qi Gong is the practice with electricity because it brings, I think, lots of misconception. And it's something I think that it's interesting to talk about because especially the first time when we hear that we use an electric machine for the training, it sounds quite crazy. Even when I learned it, I said, okay, I'm going to take it easy with this thing. I want to give you a little bit of background about this practice because this is not something that we came up with or something that has been around only for a few years. Shifu Luo has been using this technique, God knows for how long. And the Nei Gong system is, I would say, by now 20 years old. So we have, let's say, 20 years of experience using this program, which is not just about hooking yourself up to electricity. It is part of the practice, and then we have standing postures that we do afterwards. It's actually the longest program that we have in terms of practicing time needed, almost 1 hour this one. Usually with 40 minutes, I would say on average. It's a good commitment for the Nei Gong. It doesn't require much more than that. So let's talk about this because I think people might have many misconceptions about this program. Even in terms of health, some people might think, oh, this is crazy, you wanna actually damage yourself. No, it's not like that. Actually, it's quite the opposite. The immune system gets boosted quite a lot. And let's go into this. I actually want to read first the description that you have on my website. If you're not familiar with the website, it's neigongjiaoshiandrea.com. There is a method page that you will find all the practices and the progressions and the progression of the system, which, by the way, has been arranged not by me, by my teacher, with a certain logic behind. And my teacher comes from 50 years of experience in martial art, I think, plus 30 years in Qigong, I would say 20 plus in Nei Gong. So nothing has been done by chance. Of course, there has been improvement along the years because my teacher tried to improve everything based on the students' response and feedback. So everything that we do, it's quite safe. It's quite organized in a functional way. And the programs have been put in a certain order to achieve a specific result. And I don't know if you are familiar with Asian teachings. They are quite confused most of the time. They don't talk a lot. They don't even explain all the old practice the first time that you go. And my teacher had to go several times, sometimes to meet his teacher and to figure out things on the way, put pieces together, understand what was necessary, what was actually not really there. Because the way that Asian teachers in general teach, it's more practical, it's a little bit chaotic, especially for Western minds. They don't tell you much. Let's go back to the Dian Qi Gong. So Dian means electricity, Qi means energy, Gong means practice. So it's a practice with electricity. This is the first advanced program that we do, where we use electricity. And it is actually something that we do only for 1 year. This program lasts for 1 year, and then the machine goes into the box, and we move to the next program. Some people believe that Nei Gong is about hooking yourself to the machine, especially nowadays. I'm seeing lots of discussions about Fachi made with electric devices, all this nonsense. I'm totally out of this kind of discussions. I know it's crazy that human being can produce that kind of intensity and energy, but it's possible. I just want to clarify that Nei Gong is not about using a machine, which I think is very important. So let's read the description of the Dian Qi Gong. Always attentive to the possibility of absorbing and exchanging energy from natural elements, some Chinese teachers have studied the possibility of using electricity as an energy source. in the last century, seeing and observing how, in fact, the most evident manifestation of qi in those who have the ability to do the fa qi, to emit qi, were a sensation of electric current flowing in the body. This method, kept secret for a long time, the Dian Qi Gong, produces an acceleration of the process of accumulation of qi, achieving high level of control over the entire nervous system. This is something I want to talk about, and being able to control even involuntary contraction of muscles even under electrical or pain stimulation. So it's like pain therapy. We get to um, deeply learn how to control the nervous system and to open everything up, which is vital for the flow of energy. And the more the energy will grow, not through the practice only, when we move to the next program, the more we understand that this kind of training of opening the body, even when internal pressure builds up, is fundamental to keep expanding this internal energy. At the end of the practice period, the practitioner can remain connected to electricity even at 220 volts during the practice without suffering any damage. I know it sounds crazy. I haven't done it, honestly, because there's no need to get that high. The benefits are still there. The practice works. I personally stopped around 100 volts because my hands were sweating a lot, so more electricity was coming in. And I was hating the practice, to be honest, and I was loving it for the result. I will say why in a second. A method will be taught to do healing treatment using finger electrical pressure. Through physical contact between people, it will be possible to transmit appropriate electric stimulation at specific points that activate the healing processes, which are decisive for many diseases. This system is used in some Chinese hospitals by experienced Qigong masters, and it has been an important healing system for a long time. So I think this is a very interesting practice. I'll give you my take. I personally hated the practice when I was doing it for the reason that I explained before. My hands tend to sweat quite a lot. So I had to dry my hands, go to the toilet, wash, come back, dry again, and then psychologically go back into this thing. By the way, we don't hook ourselves to high voltages overnight. It happens progressively, very slowly, and we do certain things. Of course, please don't try these things at home. The big disclaimer, because I've received messages several times from people who want to figure things out, and it can be dangerous. We do it in a very safe, and if you don't know what to do, it can be dangerous. You don't want to mess around with electricity. If you know what you're doing, and you have the specific safety instructions, and also the system that we have, it's a safe system, everything's going to be fine. But otherwise, please don't try, because it's a silly thing to try to practice Nei Qigong on your own, or Nei Gong on your own, or even Qigong on your own. This is something probably I'm going to talk about in another video, which I think is more related to the importance of learning from a school, from a system, from somebody who knows what they are doing. So going back to this, I said I was hating the practice, but at the same time I was loving it, because the result, the accumulation of actually Jing more than Qi into the lower dantian is really fast. And I say Jing because I know everybody uses this word Qi. I don't even like to use it that much, because Qi is specific quality of the vital energy, which is a specific, let's say, vibratory state. The particles, if we can call them like this, they're quite happy and dancing around. Still a dense form of energy. No, I'm not talking about something more subtle. So I was loving it for the result, because it allows to speed up the process of accumulation in the lower dantian quite fast. So when we go into the advanced program, we actually start to ramp up in terms of energy sensations, and also the demanding, the involvement that we have during these advanced programs. They require more involvement. And that's why we have the basic programs that build the proper foundation to get there. Otherwise, these programs, the advanced programs, could even create some issues. So, what I want to say about health, this practice boosts the immune system quite a lot. And even those kind of seasonal fevers and things like this, I honestly don't remember them. For many years I don't remember them anymore. Of course, we still are human beings, so we can catch the flu or we can have things happening, but in terms of recovery, the body starts to recover much faster. As I said, this practice has been used in the Nei Gong system for 20 years, and Shifu was using it before, so it's not something that we came up with yesterday. It's something that has a proof of, at least in our school, of thousands of people learning in the Nei Gong Fu school. So over these years, I don't know exactly how many finished the old program, but many, 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 many people have gone through this. So this is something very important because I understand the electricity. The first reaction is quite not really pleasant when you hear that you have to do this training. Even when I teach it, but then when I start teaching it and the students they love it. Next day they already got more with more confidence into it and all the rest. It's a beautiful practice actually. Also for what I said before, because it really train ourselves to control the nervous system very deeply, especially when it is under this stimulus, constant stimulus, electric stimulus, or even pain stimulation. Let's say you learn how to really relax a lot, and the energy can flow in the body. Another benefit of this practice is actually to open up the channels from the Laogongs to the lower dantian. So these are the two main things, I would say. Great acceleration of the process of accumulating Jing in the lower dantian, opening the channels from the Laogong to the lower dantian. Good side effects, the immune system get boosted quite a lot. Another good side effect, if you have a heavy meal, you do the practice, you're going to digest quite fast. That's another good thing. And then during this practice also we teach an healing method that comes from Shifu Luo. This practice comes from Shifu Luo, one of the two Chinese masters of my teacher. And also we give a PDF with 100 pages of diseases and treatment that he does that we pass on to the students when they learn this healing part. And but we learn the main concept, the main method behind this approach. Then we can experiment ourselves with this methodology, which actually is very, very effective. So this is a little bit the Dian Qi Gong first advanced program that comes from Shifu Luo, which we have been using for 20 years plus, and God knows how long Shifu Luo has been doing this in the past. So this is just to give a little bit of a perspective about this practice, also to highlight that Nei Gong is not about electricity. In fact, this is only the first advanced program. We have 5 more. When we finish this program, machine goes into the box. You have to be able to produce something similar to electricity because Qi is different. You have to be able to produce it with your own body. And the most beautiful part of the training, in my opinion, comes when you finish the whole thing. The practice becomes really beautiful because the body and the level of internal energy gets to a very interesting point, and things are quite interesting. So I don't know if you have question about this. If you do, please feel free to comment below or to send an email. I published recently these interviews with my students, but reality they're open to anybody who has a constructive, relaxed, friendly, good attitude of talking to me. If you want, bring some questions on the table and I try to reply. If I don't know the answer, I say I don't know. But I hope that with this video we clarify a little bit the role of electricity in the Nei Gong system. We clarify the safety of this practice, the good outcome in terms of health of this practice and also in terms of the energy process that we're trying to do with our Nei Gong, Nei Qi Gong system. Okay, have a good day.